Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we have strange and expensive stuff, or I think these were expensive when they were new. This is a black box from Harrier fighter jet and this is pacemaker, and this is old model and it's not been robbed from some dead person. Yeah, I think we are going to start with this because it makes me very nervous.
Yeah, we are now ready to crush the black box. My wife thinks that the black box won't break, but I am very confident that it will be crushed. Let's see. Yes. So here is your problem. The press tool is about that much in and the cover is made out of very thick some kind of metal, so it is extremely hard to pull this one off. I have to use my angle grinder to cut there. Yeah, we managed to free our press, and seems that the press has only punctured the hole on top of the box, and there is some kind of foam or some material inside that box. And I am very sure that our current press with bigger head couldn't flatten this box. So I'm going to leave it on my stock, and when I get my new 1000 ton press, I will crush this to something like this. But on this press and 100 mm head, the black box won't survive. So I win and wife lose.
So now we have a pacemaker pancake, and the battery of lithium battery of pacemaker had quite good amount power left, which was very good surprise. And don't worry, we had our blast shells on and we have gas masks and safety glasses, so we are okay. Yeah.
Don't worry, Mom.
Yeah, that is all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content we have this seahorse. It is living on too small living space and it is extremely angry because of that, and it may attack at any time. So we must deal with it. Don't put sea creatures to small aquariums, they may get